Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latina Marie. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. So today I'm going to be doing a full-on purple look. I'm super excited about this. I have been talking to my husband about it, coming up with like a bunch of different names for what to call these looks. This week I'm going to be doing a color week. This is my color week, so I'm just going to try a bunch of different makeup looks using primarily one color. So today I'm starting with the color purple. I still haven't come up with a clever name for this one, but you guys saw what I came up with, so let's get started. I've already done my base and I have done my eyebrows, so I'm just going to get started in with my eyes. I'm going in with the Morphe 15S palette today. It has tons of purples and pinks in it, so I'm super excited about that, and yeah, let's get started. So to start, I'm going to go in with my Morphe eyelid primer. I've never used an eyelid primer a day in my life, so this will be the first time that I'm using it. I'm super excited. I got it over the weekend for Black Friday. I spent a lot of money on Black Friday, so no more just mermaid palette. But I'm just gonna prep one lid and then I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. That was a lot. More than I wanted to come out. I've never used an eyelid primer, so I'm hoping that this will be a good buy. Going in with this large shadow brush from Eco Tools, got it from Marshall's. I'm going to dip into the color #80. I'm just gonna put that kind of all over the lid to kind of set this primer just a little bit more. Now taking that same color, I'm just gonna focus on the brow bone area, just kind of give it some life. Taking that same brush, I'm going to go into the color #besties, and I'm going to take that in the same brow bone area and just going to pat that on there. I'm just blending that out completely. Now I'm going to go in with the color #meme girls. And I'm going to take that into the outer corner and the crease using that same brush. Now to bring the purple back into this, I'm going to go into the color #influencer. And little by little, I'm going to build that up so that it has the purplish to it. But I want to keep the dark color. Going back in with #besties, I'm just going to blend that all out. Now I'm going to cut my crease, so I'm going to take my concealer from Maybelline in the color 55 Hazelnut, this small angled brush from e.l.f., and I'm just going to cut the crease. Now going in with this small precision brush from e.l.f., I'm going to go in with the color #InstaFamous all over the lid. Going back to that large shadow brush, I'm going to go back into the color hashtag influencer, just taking a real little bit and blending that out. Now I'm going to go in with the color hashtag Fame Game and just open. Now going in with this liner smudge brush, I'm going to go in with the color hashtag Now Trending, and I'm going to pop that into the inner corner and under my brow. Going in with that same brush, I'm going to go in with the color hashtag influencer, and to make this purple pop, I'm just going to put that under the lower line. Now going in with the color hashtag besties, I'm just going to blend that in. Going back and forth with influencer and besties, I'm just going to blend those out. Now I'm going to go and do my other eye off camera and put on some lashes, and I will be back. So I am back. I've put on lashes, I put on eyeliner, and I did the other eye. I'm really liking this look so far. Oh no, my lash is coming up. Okay, so now we're going to do our blush, actually. I'm going to go in with this angled brush. I'm going to take this, it's not really purple, but it's the darkest blush that I have from e.l.f. And I'm going to go in with this color right here. Just pop that all over. Now going in with my lips, I'm going to go in with a black liner. I'm using eyeliner, just so you know, I'm using Wet n Wild eyeliner. And I'm going to use this, where is it? This is eyeliner brush from e.l.f. Angled eyeliner brush. And just lightly line my lips. Now I'm going in with this Revlon Color Boost Matte Balm in the color Shameless. I'm going to take this brush. I know it's an e.l.f. brush, I just don't know what it's called. Put that all over the lip, being sure to blend in that liner. So that is the final look for this full-on purple makeup tutorial. I I think I did a really good job. I absolutely love the eyes. They turned out really good. I didn't think they were going to. The lips are something that I do kind of on a regular. If I'm going out like late, kind of nighttime lip. But it's a little darker than I would have imagined me doing today, but it still worked out. I like it. I absolutely love it. I hope you guys like it. Excuse me. Sorry, my allergies are all out of control. The weather here in Las Vegas has been up and down a lot lately, so it's like kicking my allergies out of whack completely, but I'm okay. Oh my gosh. But I hope you guys like this look. Yeah, I love it. I think I did a really good job. If you guys like this look, if you guys like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.